Ottawa, the Bank of Canada announcing a supersized interest rate cut today of a half percentage point to bring its key interest rate to 3.75%. The central bank says inflation is low, and because of this, rates will likely continue to get lower, providing welcome relief for many Canadians. Kelly Botello has.
Life in Canada lately has been expensive.
It has been a long road back from the high inflation we experienced coming out of the pandemic. And yeah, it's been tough. High inflation, high interest rates have been painful for Canadians.
But today, the Bank of Canada spoke optimistically about the economy. Inflation has declined significantly from 2.7% in June to 1.6% in September.
We've got inflation down. We're back to low inflation.
Because of this, the Bank of Canada made a big move and cut its key interest rate by 50 basis points to 3.75%. Relief for homeowners with variable mortgages and for those carrying debt. Brock University finance professor Ernest Biktimirov says even though inflation is down, Canadians are still paying high costs for rent and food.
This decrease in inflation was primarily driven by the decrease in gasoline prices, while the rent prices went up by 8.2%, and also food prices they went up by more than 2%.
This marks the fourth consecutive rate cut since June. Bank of Canada Governor Tiff Macklem says the central bank expects it will lower the interest rate further, but he stopped short of saying whether he expects another half-point cut in December.
Look, I'm not gonna handicap the next move. I think we've been pretty clear on the direction.
So how low will the key interest rate go? Biktimirov says the Bank of Canada will likely want to get the rate somewhere between 3 to 2%.
Maybe it will not go below 2.75%, and because probably at this level, interest rate will be in the right range. It will be in the neutral. It will be in the neutral level where it will not overstimulate the economy. At the same time, it will not put any restrictive pressure.
Canadians will have to wait until December for the bank's next move. Kelly Botello, CHCH News.
Heading to